Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best night cream is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked steps in a comprehensive skincare routine, working diligently while you sleep to repair, rejuvenate, and hydrate your skin, ensuring you wake up with a complexion that looks and feels refreshed, plump, and visibly smoother, making it a non-negotiable for achieving that coveted healthy glow. Number 5. Cetaphil Redness Relieving Night Moisturizer. Wake up to calmer, more comfortable skin. This night cream is designed to deeply hydrate and reduce redness while you sleep. If you struggle with dryness and redness, this is for you. It's formulated to gently calm and nourish sensitive skin overnight. Experience intense moisture without irritation. It's hypoallergenic and completely fragrance-free, making it perfect for even the most sensitive complexions. Our advanced formula works through the night to visibly reduce redness. You'll notice a smoother, more even-toned complexion by morning. Make it a part of your bedtime routine. Apply this rich cream before sleep to help restore your skin's barrier and soothe irritation. This generous size ensures you have plenty of this soothing moisturizer for consistent nightly use. Enjoy lasting comfort and hydration. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those struggling with dry, red-prone skin. Its gentle, hypoallergenic formula calms irritation and reduces redness overnight. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a soothing, fragrance-free solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This moisturizer is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It absorbs quickly and doesn't feel greasy at all. My fine lines have visibly reduced since using this night cream. My skin looks plumper and more radiant. Number 4. Retinol Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Rediscover your skin's natural radiance with our advanced anti-aging formula. This cream is designed to combat the signs of aging, leaving your skin feeling revitalized. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates while working to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Enjoy smoother, plumper-looking skin day and night. Suitable for both women and men, this versatile moisturizer addresses dryness and promotes a firmer complexion. It's the perfect addition to any skincare routine. Our powerful blend helps to stimulate collagen, essential for maintaining skin's elasticity. See a noticeable difference in skin texture and tone. Achieve a more youthful appearance with consistent use. This cream provides lasting moisture for a healthy, glowing look. Get ample supply of this effective anti-aging solution. A little goes a long way to transform your skin. What we like. This cream is a powerhouse for combating signs of aging and dryness. With retinol and hyaluronic acid, it works to smooth wrinkles and plump the skin. If you're looking for a multitasking moisturizer to address both aging concerns and dehydration, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This moisturizer is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. My fine lines have visibly reduced since using this night cream. My skin looks plumper and more radiant. Number 3. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Introducing the No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. This powerful formula works overnight to revitalize your face and neck. Infused with collagen peptides, it targets signs of aging for a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience the difference as it combats crepey skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. This ensures you wake up with a plump and supple complexion. Let it work its magic while you sleep. This cream is your essential step for effective nighttime skincare. See a noticeable improvement in skin texture and elasticity. Embrace a more youthful look with this advanced anti-aging solution. What we like. Designed for comprehensive anti-aging, this moisturizer targets multiple concerns including crepey skin on both the face and neck. It's packed with collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, and ceramides to restore a youthful appearance. If you're seeking an all-in-one solution for mature skin showing signs of aging and loss of firmness, consider this. What people say. This moisturizer is incredibly hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and supple all night long. I love how lightweight this night cream is. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, and it doesn't clog my pores. My fine lines have visibly reduced since I started using this product. My skin looks smoother and more radiant. Number 2. No 7 Restore and Renew Night Cream. Experience the power of our multi-action night cream. It works while you sleep to restore and renew your skin, targeting signs of aging for a smoother appearance. Infused with collagen peptides, this cream helps to firm and revitalize your complexion. Wake up to skin that feels noticeably firmer and more youthful. Our formula includes hyaluronic acid to deliver intense hydration throughout the night. It plumps and moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple by morning. Designed for sensitive skin, this night cream is completely fragrance-free. Enjoy the benefits of anti-aging without any irritation. See a visible difference in your skin's texture and tone. This cream is your nightly essential for a radiant, age-defying complexion. Give your face and neck the care they deserve with this potent night treatment. It's formulated to help you achieve a more restored and renewed look. What we like. This fragrance-free option focuses on firming and hydrating the skin with potent collagen peptides. It's ideal for those who prefer a scentless product and want to improve skin elasticity and moisture. If you have dry or mature skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective firming moisturizer, this is a great pick. What people say. This moisturizer is incredibly hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and supple all night long. I love how lightweight this moisturizer is. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. My fine lines have visibly reduced since I started using this night cream. Number 1. No 7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. Introducing the Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. It works overnight to reverse visible signs of damage while you sleep. This advanced formula is infused with powerful peptide technology. It targets and repairs your skin's barrier for a healthier complexion. Specifically designed for dry skin, it helps to restore moisture and improve skin texture. Wake up to smoother, softer skin every morning. Experience the transformative power of this anti-aging face moisturizer. It actively works to reverse the signs of aging and environmental damage. Make it a part of your nightly routine for optimal results. This cream provides essential nourishment and repair for a radiant appearance. Embrace the future of skincare with this innovative night cream. It's your key to unlocking visibly younger looking and revitalized skin. What we like. This advanced night cream is engineered to reverse visible signs of skin damage and repair the skin barrier. Its innovative peptide technology works to restore skin health and resilience. If your skin is feeling compromised, dry, or showing signs of environmental damage, this product is designed to help you achieve a healthier, more robust complexion. What people say. This moisturizer has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated without any greasiness. It contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which are known for their skin plumping and brightening properties. My skin feels noticeably smoother and looks more radiant after using this product consistently for a few weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.